Hi guys, it's me, and if you want to buy this TCL 85-inch Q7 QLED 4K Smart TV, the link is in the description. Today we're taking a fresh look at a huge 85-inch TV that aims to deliver a premium cinematic experience without stepping into the high-end luxury price bracket. This model brings a combination of strong hardware, modern software, and surprising performance that stands out in this category. The scale of this display changes everything. An 85-inch panel fills your field of vision and immediately transforms any room into a home theater. TCL uses a QLED panel with quantum dot technology, which boosts color accuracy, saturation, and brightness. With Dolby Vision, HDR Ultra, and full-array local dimming, the image quality reaches deeper blacks, higher contrast, and brighter highlights than many TVs in its range. Details look crisp, even up close, thanks to its 4K resolution working across such a massive canvas. High-motion scenes, sports, or action-heavy content feel more fluid due to the native 120 Hz refresh rate. TCL has clearly tuned this panel to handle fast movement better than most mid-range TVs. For gaming, the Q7 really steps up. The 240 Hz game accelerator option offers smoother responsiveness for supported games, helping reduce input delays and motion blur. Add VRR, ALLM, and a low-latency mode, and you get a display that works well with modern consoles and gaming PCs. The size alone adds a level of immersion you can't get from traditional monitors. Running Google TV means the software experience is smooth and familiar. Apps load quickly, recommendations are personalized, and navigating the interface feels fluid. The voice remote keeps everything hands-free and straightforward, and compatibility with Alexa makes it easy to integrate with existing smart homes. Brightness is one of the standout features. Many super-large TVs struggle to maintain strong visuals in daylight, but the Q7 handles bright rooms extremely well. Color tones remain bold, contrast stays balanced, and the display retains detail even with sunlight coming in. Sound quality is better than expected for a slim TV. Dolby Atmos adds depth and enhances directionality. Voices come through clear, and effects spread wider than typical built-in speakers. Pairing it with a soundbar, though, will bring out the full audio potential and match the cinematic display. Overall, the TCL 85-inch Q7 delivers an impressive combination of features that elevate both entertainment and gaming. It offers rich color, strong brightness, modern connectivity, smooth motion, and a massive screen that truly upgrades any viewing space. This model targets users who want flagship-level performance at a reachable price, and it succeeds in bringing a high-end vibe without the high-end cost. If you want more details or are thinking about picking one up, check out the link in the description.